Hi everyone, I am MS.B.PRIYANKA, Assistant Professor of History, A.D.M. College for Women, Nagapattinam. So we are today going to see this subject, History of Science and Technology in India. In that we are going to see the particular topic called Introduction of New Technologies in Railways. So basically the railways was started in the ancient period and it is totally improved in the Lord Dalhousie period. The history of railways was in India was date over back 160 years ago, and it was normally constructed by the British Governor General only. So first passenger train was ran between the Bori and the Thane with 13 carriages and 3 locomotives. So it was the distance covering 434 kilometers. Then shortly the railways zones were also classified. The period of railways was classified by different periods. Slowly there were development of the railways, and till now the railways department was growing very rapidly growth. So now it was the recent train is Vande Bharat train with electrification model, which is very useful now, which shows the Indian technological development. So there were more classification of period like zonal, regional, district, etc., etc. So the main reason for this growth was the electrification and introduction of new technologies. So there were more type of classification by routing, the mapping, etc. There were difficult times. But although the Lord Dalhousie was the major person and he was also called the father of Indian Railways, to clarifying the route of the line for traveling by the train. There were more models, evolution in the train. So there were sometimes only little carriages and they added the more carriages. Next, there were electrification trains with toilet systems then they introduced. So like this, there were many development in the railways. So recently, the government also providing many schemes for the railways department. So there were also the Vande Bharat train and etc., etc., which shows the development. Thank you.